On September 20th, 2017, Hurricane Maria made landfall in Puerto Rico, contributing to nearly 3,000 deaths and devastating the island's infrastructure. In the days immediately preceding and following impact, and in the 2 years since, remarkable recovery and restoration efforts have been led by Puerto Rico's 4 AAMC-Member medical schools and their deans. Dr. Yocasta Brugal, President and Dean, San Juan Bautista School of Medicine. Dr. Edgar Colon Negron, former Dean, and Dr. Agustin A. Rodriguez Gonzalez, Interim Dean, University of Puerto Rico School of Medicine. Dr. Jose Guinel Rodriguez, Dean of Medicine, Universidad Central del Caribe School of Medicine. Dr. Olga Rodriguez de Arzola, Dean, Ponce Health Sciences University School of Medicine. The AAMC recognizes the deans of its member medical schools of Puerto Rico for the breadth, depth, and length of their response to Hurricane Maria.
Well, living in a tropical island, it's a beautiful thing, but at the same time, you are reminded every year that there is a possibility that a hurricane can come to our shores. 24 hours after Maria hit Puerto Rico, we had the first opportunity of coming up to the university to see what the damage was from the hurricane. And I remember at that particular day, we had a phone call from John Prescott at the AAMC asking how we were doing. And at the same time, we had the opportunity of getting into a conference call with those deans that had capacity or were able to actually get a phone line. And we engaged into helping each other, looking to whatever needs other people might have.
Our experience taught us that we work better and more productive and achieve more when we work together. In that hard time, you have to be together.
Hurricane Maria was a huge challenge for all of us, and we did learn a lot. First, we learned that you have to take care of yours, so that they are able to take care of others. We also learned the power of communities, and it was through the help of the whole academic community in this case that we were able to succeed.
The medical communities, residents, the medical students, they get together and they provide services across the island. There were different programs from the different medical school and the residency programs to provide services to those communities in needs.
A lot of things happened after the hurricane. Good things. People talk about the bad things, but a lot of good things happened too. Necessity is the mother of invention, and we certainly had a lot of needs after the hurricane. But the thing that struck me the most was how people came together to work together for one important goal, which was to move forward and get back on the recovery process as soon as possible.
So for us, it's very important that every single medical school that is in Puerto Rico can actually work together and can actually deal with situations like the one Maria brought.